So bed so NDL CDL line, and our surface profile will be somewhere over here. So let us write the condition. Y. The condition will be yn equal to yc greater than y. Let us substitute this condition in our equation. Dy by dx is equal to s0 into 1 minus yn by y the whole cube by 1 minus yc by y the whole cube. It's quite obvious that this value is greater than y. Similarly, yc is greater than y. So the numerator will become negative. Denominator also will become negative. So negative and negative, it becomes positive. So we can write C3 profile is rising profile. C3 profile is rising profile. Now we shall see the upstream downstream characteristics. Upstream, downstream. At upstream, you can say y tends to 0. Y is never equal to 0, but y is a value just greater than 0. If y equal to 0, that means there is no depth of flow, and that condition means that there is no flow. No depth of flow means there is no flow. So y is tending to 0. No, y is not equal to 0. Y is tending to 0. Y will be, let us consider that y is some value like 0.0001, like that. Let us consider like that. Okay, so if you are taking y equal to 0, that means there is no depth of flow, then that means there is no flow itself. So y is tending to 0. So we can write dy by dx equal to 1 minus yn by y divided by 1 minus, since yn equal to yc, I am replacing this, so also yn by y whole cube. If you look close, you can say that these two terms are same, will get cancelled. So we will be left with dy by dx equal to S0, bed slope. Now at downstream side, y is tending to yn equal to yc. So let us apply that also over here. Dy by dx is equal to S0 into 1 minus yn by yn, I can write it like that, the whole cube by 1 minus yc by yc, the whole cube. So this condition is same as what we have seen over here. So this will become undefined because these two terms are 0. This will become 0 by 0 and it will become identified. So undefined. This will become undefined, not unidentified but undefined. So how should we consider? We should consider that this profile is not touching yn yc, that is NDL CDL line, but it is just meeting. So the value of y will be something less than yn yc. So we have to consider like that, like this. The value of y is just less than yn equal to yc. So we have to consider like that. If we consider that y is equal to yn yc, then the condition will become undefined. If we consider it like this, we will get dy by dx equal to s0. The same condition that we got in the C1 profile. We'll get it like that. So we can say C3 profile is a rising profile with upstream and downstream sides horizontal. Very much similar to C1 profile. So C3 profile also is a rising profile with upstream and downstream sides horizontal. The angle over here will be S0. Here also it will be S0. Bed slopes.